Alright, hot off the press. First look of a mini truck with the exhaust and the new shoes. There's the new tires on there. Got rid of the swamp buggy golf cart tires, and we got passenger car tires. Land Golden is the brand. They are 195/60 14s on the rim. I forgot my valve stems. My valve stem covers. The rims are 14/7. So their tires are a little stretched, which I like that little look, but not too much. Yeah, rubs a little less, but still rubs. So I have not put the coilovers on it yet, the new ones. So that should take it back up a little bit to clear. And then I'll look at what's rubbing and deal with that. But I like it. I like the way it looks. It's stuck out a little bit. Like just enough. Give it some stance. And put the cover on the battery. I just got these at Amazon for like $1. And the cover off eBay. But yeah, there she is. Now I'm gonna jack it back up, take the tires off, and do the coils. That's the next project. But alright, I'll show you what it looks like after that. See you. Oh, let's see what kind of mess I got myself into here. Ugh. It rained. All my parts got wet, which didn't matter. They're all going to get wet anyway. They're going to get cleaned. Oh, something left. Yup, there's my mess. I'm gutting it. Tearing it all apart. Tearing everything out of it. Painting everything. Cleaning everything. New seats. All the plastic's going to be painted. And another surprise that's going in there. That's already here. I haven't even opened the box yet. But, yep. A lot of work. But I'm going to get it done. Slowly but surely. This stuff still needs to be cleaned and painted. We'll work on that right now. Let's get it going. Let's see what I got done. So I got most of the components that were back here painted. They're not back there anymore. And this is what I got done now. The dash is completely removed. And stuff everywhere. So now, tomorrow, I'm gonna clean everything and then take the door panels off still and paint those, and then paint all the white black, and then do the roof and put some Alcantara in certain places, not everywhere, but a lot of places, just to cover up the white. Yeah. Moving right along, I guess. What a mess. Alright, well, that's it for today. About beginning to rain here, so calling it a day. Alright, give you an update where I'm at. I've done a lot. I have painted the doors. I've removed the door panels, painted them. I still got to mount them. Still not done. I don't know what I'm going to do yet completely. But I have painted all in here, painted the floor. Put that back in. I did the gear shift. There's the carbon fiber. Ooh. Carbon fiber with the bag, little Alcantara fabric. Still may add some more Alcantara. It's kind of, I don't know. I'm not happy with it, but it's gonna stay like that for a bit. Put this back in. And then I painted all this black. Put an Alcantara strip here. All this is black. I removed the roof and painted it all black. And I still got some touch-ups to do. I put Alcantara strip. Let's see if I can find it here along the just the front, just to give it a little bit of, I don't know, shape. And then I put it Alcantara here on the pillars, both sides. Yeah. And when removing it, I thought this came with the top, but there's a screw that holds it up. While I was pulling the headliner down, and it cracked it back here. So I kind of put a piece of Alcantara there, fabric, basically to cover the crack, and just to, I don't know, just to put it there. Yeah, it's coming along pretty good. I like the all black. It darkens it up. And where I'm at now, I'm putting, so there was no speaker here, no wiring or anything to this side. So I'm putting a speaker in down here, 6.5 on both sides. That one had a speaker, a little guy right there. I took it out, but I have the wiring. And then I'm putting another speaker 6.5 down there, and I'm making, I already made them, but I made these out of C-deck, or it's a marine plywood, or you can use PVC. I think this is actually PVC, but it's easy to work with. But I'm putting these right here, up right there, and then I cut that hole out for the 6.5. The window doesn't interfere or anything, and I'm gonna wrap this in Alcantara after I mount it, then I wrap it. Well, I don't know how I'm gonna do that because the buttons, I have to figure that out, but I might have to wrap it first. But yeah, that's gonna go there. The speaker's gonna go there. This is just gonna be an empty hole, which I'll cover up. I did put dampening, sound dampening things up here on the ceiling. Solid. Made a difference. Put like 4 across there. I put 3 in here. 1, 2, 3 inside. Yeah, it made a difference. I like it. But yeah, that's where I'm at. I have everything painted. I don't think I have to paint anymore. I got all these painted. Painted. These painted. Those painted. Dash is painted. It's ready to go back in. The only reason I haven't put that in yet is I'm waiting for a shipment to come in from Willpowered Performance. For that, I'm gonna put the skin over it that has the miles per hour instead of kilometers or kilometers. Instead of kilometers, it'll say miles per hour. So I'm waiting for that to come in before I clean this and put that on, and then I can put the dash back in. But that's what I'm waiting on for that. And I have not done the coils yet, coilovers. That's still I got to do. What else? Let's see. I put little bullet heads casings on my valve stems. Yeah, here's the other side. Here's the other side, all black. I'm gonna put those mats down. I'm gonna actually put a 10-inch sub right here. I'm gonna try to under the seat, and yeah, that's where we're at. It's good. Well, I'm going to continue on with these speakers, mounting these plates and mounting the plates and the speakers. Let's get. I want to keep on moving at it, so I got to figure out how to mount these plus wrap them. Let's first see if I got enough material left, because I did use a lot of the material on stuff. So if I don't have enough Alcantara, then I'm just gonna sand them and paint them black and then mount them up. But let's go see if I have enough material. Well, I don't know how I did that, but check this out. It came out almost perfect. Enough material just for the doors, speaker mounts, or speaker spacers, I guess. Yeah, look at this. Perfect amount. Look at that. So, you know, some left over, but it'll fit, so I can wrap it. Perfect. I like it. Enough to squeeze over. Just enough. Get these done and wrapped. I'll show you what it looks like from there. We'll keep on rolling with the dash when that comes in, because I got a lot of other stuff that came in. I haven't even opened yet. Let's see what that is. So this, I don't even know what this is. Heavy. Oh, I think these are for the coils to squish them together. This, I believe, is my radio. I bought an ALPINE radio, just a single DIN radio, because I had to have that to make this work. And here's the 6.5s. They are also ALPINE speakers. I have the amp. Amp is a JL Audio. It's not here yet, but, and then I have a new steering wheel along with NRG adapter, and this I'm very excited about, and that I'm going to tell you later. It's found a guy on Instagram or Facebook. He's in the he's in our group for the mini truck group. I'll definitely put the link in, tell you all about what that is, more in detail, but I'm really excited about that. A long way to go to get to before I get to that point, but I hope you watch the video. Subscribe, like, share, do whatever you can do to help me out, get some more subscribers, and follow along with this Acty build. It is a 1996 Honda Acty, full all-wheel drive. I've got rims and tires on it, and I lifted it 1.5 inches, and all the other plans, future plans for this thing. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fun. Hope you stay tuned. Hope you keep watching. Thanks. See you.